Okay, for the last part of the calculator technique series for advanced engineering mathematics, so this last part will be about the Fourier series or getting the different coefficients of the Fourier series equation using calculator techniques. So, just a brief introduction about Fourier series. So, a Fourier series is a way to represent a signal or a function into a sum of simple sine waves or cosine. So, basically, we're trying to convert a certain signal in terms of sine waves of different frequencies or cosine of different frequencies. And the Fourier series of a function is defined by f of x, which is equal to a0 over 2, plus the summation of an cosine n phi x over L plus bn sine n phi x over L from 1 to positive infinity. And the coefficients a0, an, and bn can be calculated using the following formulas. So A0 can be calculated using 1 over L from negative L to positive L, f of x dx. And then AN is given by 1 over L of the integral of f of x cosine n phi x over L dx from negative L to L. And then Bn is 1 over L integral of f of x sine n phi x over L dx from negative L to L, where L is the half of the given period or one half of the period of the particular signal. Okay. So, dito sa Caltech para sa Fourier series, gagamitin natin 'tong mga formulas na 'to. And then, actually, mas madali siya compared sa mga previous as long as alam mo yung formula and as long as alam mo yung period. Okay? So, dapat familiar tayo din sa mga formulas na 'to, lalo na din sa mga coefficients. Okay, so let's start with the first example. So, calculate the Fourier series of the function f of x equal to x, which is defined over the range of negative pi to positive pi. So, dito sa example natin, kailangan mo nating i-determine ano ba yung magiging period niya. So in this case, our period here is 2 pi. Kasi from negative pi to positive pi. So that is your period. So your L will be pi. Okay, so if gagamitin natin yung formula kanina, so yung formula natin for A0, AN, and BN, lahat ng L dito will just be equal to pi. Okay? So dito ang hinahanap sa atin is Fourier series for this particular function. And yung given sa atin na choices is, kung titingnan natin mabuti, wala na siyang A0 and wala din siyang AN coefficients. Kasi yung A0 mo, this is purely constant. And pag in-inspect mo to, pag sinimplify mo to, ang makukuha mo lang dito is sine term or itong trigonometric function na sine, tas may nakamultiply sa kanya mga coefficients. So meaning, wala ka nung constant coefficient and wala ka din itong coefficient na an for cosine. Kasi yung an, so this an, this is for the cosine term, which makikita mo rin dito. Okay, so meaning, hindi mo na kailangang hanapin yung a0 and an kasi automatic a0 is 0, an is 0. So, ang kailangan mo na lang hanapin will be the Bn. Okay? So, kailangan alam mo yung formula for Bn. So, is babalikan natin yung formula, that will be 1 over L integral from negative L to L of f of x sine n phi x over L dx. So, ito yung gagamitin nating formula. Ang pinagkaiba lang, hindi natin to pwedeng i-integrate directly kasi may n ka dito. No? So, papalitan natin to ng certain value, discrete value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, depending kung hanggat hindi pa natin nakukuha yung tamang sagot. So mag-start tayo sa pinakamababa, which is 1. Okay, so Bn is 1 over L integral from negative L to L of the given function multiplied by sine n pi x over L dx. Okay? So dito maglelet ka ng value for n. So meaning pag naglet ka ng value for n which is equal to 1, ang hinahanap natin is yung B1. Okay? So for B1, we'll get 1 over L, that is pi, integral of negative pi to pi of f of x, that is your x, multiplied by sine pi x over pi dx. So ito yung tatype natin sa calcu. Okay, so using our calculator, so pwedeng diretso na natin to sa mode na hindi na naka-line format kasi mas magulo yun eh. So 1 over pi times the integral of x sine. So yung pi sa loob magka-cancel out lang. So this will just be sine x. So dapat naka-region mode from negative pi to positive pi. Okay, so press equal, we'll get a value of 2 for B1. So meaning your B1 is equal to 2. So gagamitin natin tong value na to para i-evaluate yung bawat choices at n equal to 1. So meaning, dito sa letter A, B, C, and D, itong n na to, papalitan natin ng 1, and at the same time, itong isa na to. Kasi yung B1 kasi is just the coefficient of the sign term. So meaning, hindi natin kailangan kunin yung value nito kasi nga may x ka pa dun eh. Ang kailangan lang natin kunin ng value is ito and ito nasa labas. So if yung value nila is nag-equal sa 2, meaning that is your answer. Okay? So let's start. Burahin ko na yung mga nandito. So again, ang B1 natin is 2. So let's start with the letter A. So that is n over 2 multiplied by negative 1 raised to n plus 1. So yung coefficient lang ang concern natin dito. So using our calcu, evaluate natin siya. So again, ang n natin is 1. So negative 1 raised to n plus 1. Calc when n is 1, so we'll get 1 half. So basically, hindi siya equal dun sa B1 at 2. So proceed tayo sa next one, letter B. So that is 2 over n. So 2 over n. And the negative 1, same lang. No? Okay, press calc. Okay, so we'll get 2. Okay, so pwede ka lang tumigil dito. Although, may instances na yung ibang choices mag-i-equal din sa 2. Okay? Pero pwede, may isa ka ng possible candidate for your answer B. But again, hindi laging kung ano yung una mo makuha na mag-equal sa 2, yun na yun. Kasi pwedeng yung letter C and D mag-equal din siya sa 2. Okay? So halimbawa, again, nakuha natin yung letter B na 2 over n, negative 1 raised to n plus 1, nag-equal to sa 2. Ito nag 1 half eh. So yung C, pag in-evaluate natin to, okay, so negative 1 half. So basically, hindi rin. And then yung D will just be negative 2. So, hindi rin. Okay, so meaning, yung B talaga yung tamang sagot dito. Okay? Pero, in case na for example, si letter C is nag-equal din siya sa 2. Then letter D nag-equal din sa 2. So, hindi mo pwedeng i-conclude na lahat yan tama. Okay? So, pag ganun yung nangyari, kailangan mong kunin yung B2 and then check mo ulit kung alin dun yung mag-i-equal. So, if anong nangyari, tatlo pa rin silang equal, magkakatulad pa rin sila na pareha-pareha silang tama, proceed ka dun sa susunod, B3. Hanggang makuha mo, yung isa na lang yung tamang sagot. So pag sa B3, yung letter B na lang ang nagtama or nagmatch dun sa actual value niya, so that will be your answer. Okay? So hindi tayo pwedeng, pag tinest natin yung letter A, nag-exact na siya ng sagot, tigil ka na. Kailangan mo pa rin i-test lahat ng choices kasi possible na may dalawa doon or tatlo or lahat sila mag-match doon sa value ng B1, B2, or B3 or A0, A1, A2, A3. No? Kailangan lahat matest yun. Okay? So titigil ka lang kapag isa lang talaga yung nag-match. Meaning that is your final answer. Okay? So next, determine the Fourier coefficient at n equal to 2 of the periodic waveform. So dito, ni-specify nyo na kung ano yung value ng n for the coefficients. Since ang hinahanap lang natin dito is A2 and B2, so using the formula, madali makuha. And kailangan lang nating ma-determine dito ano yung period. So in this case, from 0 to 2 pi, so your period is 2 pi, so your L will be 1/2 of that. So same lang, pi din. Okay? So pwede nating agad makuha yung A2 and B2 kasi coefficients lang naman yung kailangan mo dito. So 1 over pi, integral from negative pi to pi, from 0 to 2 pi, kasi yun na yung limits natin, of the f of x, that is x squared. Since this is a multiplied by cosine n, so ang n natin will be 2 pi x over L, that is pi, dx. And then for b sub 2, we have 1 over pi, 0 to 2 pi, x squared, sine 2 pi x over pi dx. Okay, so directly solve using our calculator. So x squared multiply by, so yung pi magka-cancel out, so we'll have cosine 2x from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, then may multiplier ka sa labas na 1 over pi. Okay, so we'll get A2 as 1. Okay, so it's either A or C based on choices. Then we solve for B2. So same formula except this will be sine. Okay, so we have negative 6.2831. Okay, so store natin sa A. Okay, so ang sagot natin for this one is 1 and then this is negative 6.28 something. So which is this is approximately equal to negative 2 pi. So ang sagot natin will be, oops. Okay, so our answer there will be letter A. Okay, so A is 1, B is negative 2 pi. Thank you. Bye.